Hello friends, this is another video to show you how to file for unemployment insurance during this COVID-19 in US. So this is just an information video where you can find it. So just go on Google and search for US file for unemployment insurance COVID, and you will see this link by DOL Department of Labor.gov. So click on this one. So I'm going to right click it, open link in new tab, and then I go here, find your state unemployment insurance office, and then you can select your state. So suppose I'm going to go to California, and it shows me California link. You just click that, open that link, and it's going to look like this. And then all you have to do is go online, register yourself, or call them, or fax, or by mail. So in case you're going to do by mail, then you have to follow these instructions and where you can file it. And in case you're going to do by phone, then call these numbers in your desired language, or else the easiest way and the best way recommended is online. So these are the timings available, and you have to just press this button, so it will open this page, and then click on benefit programs online, and then it will ask you to log in or register. And then you can either log in if you have already an email with Employment Development Department of California. If not, then you have to register it, and then I guess agree the terms, and then register your email address and all the questions they ask for, and then it will proceed, and it will take your information like social security number and employment and those kind of information, and it will ask for your bank account, and then you can file your unemployment insurance. So that was it. That was a quick video just to show you how you can file. So you can select, again going back to this DOL website, you can just select your state from either from here, this filter, or from the map itself, Michigan, New York, anywhere. So that's how easy it is, and I hope you will find this information valuable. Thank you guys, have a good day.